So for the close, okay, right, it's going to be about payment and onboarding. First, you want to make the payment process as frictionless as possible. So don't make them apply for this and sign this and do that and do that. Just, hey, look, right, just really easy, simple process, right? And you always collect the payment right then and there, not after the call. Like, hey, send me an invoice, send me the link, I'll pay it after. Not that. On the call right then and there, right? Because if they spend the call with you, like, obviously they're on a call for you for 30-40 minutes. Like, what is 2-3 minutes extra gonna do, really? And I start by grabbing card info and processing it. If I personally share my screen to reduce anxiety, so let me just show you what that look like. I'm inside my GoHighlevel right now, and I'm just talking to myself here. You can see here, this is my own contacts. And you need to make sure that this sub account, this account that you're using, is fully integrated to Stripe for this to work, right? And the way I normally process, like I said, I was on a Zoom call. I would have this open even before the prospect come onto the sales call. I click on payment, right? And what I do is that I click charge now, okay? And when I click charge now, and I can choose the currency, what to charge them. I normally stick with USD, and I give an amount, right? Let's say $50, and I put a description, right? The description is that system, like that unique system. So I'm gonna put like ABC system, right? 6 months, right? So I'm gonna put something like this, and I click add a new card, right? Okay, so I'm gonna do that really quickly. And like I said, hey John, so how it works is that we just need your card info to process that, right? To process like the 6K or 5K that we have. And then after that, we can schedule an onboarding call with you, right? And then they say, if you feel like they have a little bit of anxiety of giving the card information in front of you, one of the things that I can do to help is just like share my screen. Like I just like go on Zoom and share my screen, right? So look, like we just have like a simple form like this inside our software. Like I'm just making you an invoice right now, so it's $50 for this. And yeah, just your card info, and your card info wouldn't be saved in our system, right? We won't save your card info, okay? So yeah, ready when you are. And so yeah, ready when you are, just put in the card. So when they say like the number, right, 635, and then just type 635 in front of them, that they know that it's going into the system. And it's like really simple. It's like, it's not storing anything. It's not being fussy. Now, if they say, oh, all right, like I'm not comfortable of getting your card in, like I'm not comfortable, man. I'm not comfortable, right? Of speaking, like reading out the card info over Zoom, right? Cool. Like, no worry, John. What we have as well with our system, we could just send you a link, right? We send you a link that you click, and then you could just pay. So how you do that again? Make sure that you have SMS, right? Make sure you have like you have SMS capability, like you can send text, right? So you go to SMS, and you go to this $sign request payment. Again, the same thing. Put in the price, $50, $500, and you put the yeah, like let's say you put Stu ABC here, and I don't mess around with the due date, but I normally make it due today. And yeah, just like I don't mess around with advanced option, and I click copy and mark a send, right? So, and it's auto generate invoice, and I click send. What I do is I go ahead and copy this, right? Copy that, and I click send before I click send, and I just drop that in the Zoom chat. And I also do that on the email as well. I just do that on the email as well, invoice. So just making sure that the text is not there. I just send it so many ways, right? I just send that through email, Zoom chat, and text. So look, just send you the link, right? Could you pay, like, yeah, just let me know when you're ready. You can just put the card on your end, right? Let me know, okay? Right? And then just wait, right? Just like shut up, don't say anything else. Don't, like, just let them do it. Like some people like go like where's my card? Let me just grab my card, right? So yeah, just like this is like probably the most uncomfortable moment in the entire sales flow, like speaking from experience here when I just first starting out. And this is when you actually start to talk about dog and cat and fish and goldfish and golf, like, and talking about unnecessary stuff. Like, this is the most uncomfortable, yet the most important. So you need to like stay quiet and let them put in their card information, and don't speak about dog and cats and golf. All right. Guys, it's like, you're nearly there. Like, it's the end of the process, right? So if they're not comfortable, like, send a payment link, right? Don't get off the call until it's done, right? Don't get off the call until it's done. It's that simple. All right. So you made it. You made it. This is a very long training, and only 20% of the only 20% of the people who attend the course will get to this far of the scripts, right? You're an action taker, guys, right? Consider joining our lead to do role play, personal call review. So we actually, inside our Lead Mastermind, right? You can role play with the team member, or even with myself, right? Or even with our closer on board right now. Or what we can do to help you with your sales process is that we're going to review every recording to make sure that we can, like, you shouldn't say this, you should say this instead, to make sure that you not repeating the same mistake, because it's going to cost you opportunity, right? And then we're going to customize the scripts to your niche, to your style, to your personality a lot more by being inside our lead, right? This is where we're actually able to help people one-on-one, hands-on, and actually give them a guaranteed outcome. So make sure you check it out, or not, it's up to you. But this training is for you anyway. So anyhow, if you like it, let me know. And yeah, download the scripts and tell me if it really makes you money. And hopefully it does. And we'll see you soon. Bye. Hey guys, if you enjoy watching the video, make sure that you also checking out this content right there.